here to do the Snap-on Smile?
I came here, it was a toss-up between the TexasToothLady and Brighter Image Labs. And the one thing that I did not like was the fact that I had to do my own impressions at home. And because I felt like if there was any type of adjustments that I need to make, that the process of having to send it off, getting it back, send it off, getting it back, all by mail, really concerned me. And so when I came here, the service was really great. They're really attentive. I think I made the right choice by coming to see a dentist versus doing my own impressions. I probably wouldn't have been able to do them correctly anyway. And so I feel like having a professional, in my mouth, actually doing my impressions and scanning my teeth makes me feel a lot more confident because I know it's being done correctly versus wasting the time of doing it over and over again.
And have you seen them?
No, I haven't seen them.
And how do they feel?
They feel really nice. I know it's probably going to take me a little time to get used to them, but there's no pressure on my teeth at all as far as like pain or anything. I'm a little more self-conscious because I'm hearing myself for the first time with them. I'm pretty sure as I relax and just talk and eat with them, I'll get definitely better with them. But they feel really nice in my mouth. They feel really smooth.
So are you excited?
Yeah, really excited. In my job, I do Zoom calls all day long, and definitely this is probably going to be a great improvement. Give me more confidence in my Zoom meetings and things like that. So I'm really excited to see them.
All right. Smile big for the camera. Hey.